So today we will cover chords in the key of D major. So there are again 6 chords in the family of D major. The first chord is D major. So this is D major chord. Second fret first string, second fret third string, third fret second string, second fret first string, second fret third string, and second fret third fret second string. This is D major chord. Now the second chord is G major. G major chord we have covered in the family of C also. Okay, so this was D major chord and G major chord is this. So from the fourth finger, that is the smallest finger, first string in the third fret, and from third finger, sixth string in the third fret, and from the second finger, fifth string in the second fret. So this is G chord. D major, G major. Now the third chord is A major, and I hope you remember A chord. This is A major chord. First fret, second fret, second, third and fourth string. So this is A major chord. So D, G and A major chord. Now the fourth chord is B minor. This chord also we have covered in the family of A major. So for B minor you have to use second, third and fourth fret. Second fret, first string, third fret, second string, fourth fret, third and fourth string. So this is B minor chord. And from here you have to play fourth, third, second and first string. Don't play sixth and fifth string. Don't play like this, just play fourth, third, second and first. So this is B minor, D, G, A, B minor. Now fifth chord is F sharp minor. F sharp minor also we have covered in the family of A major. So this is F sharp minor. Now we have to use second fret and fourth fret. So second fret, from your index finger you have to press 3 strings, or you have to press 6 on the 6 strings like this. It's your choice. You can play like this also and you can press like this also. So in the second fret you have to press 3 strings like this, and in the fourth fret you have to press 4th and 5th string. 4th and 5th and all the 3 strings like this, or you can play like this, which is comfortable. Okay, so this is F sharp minor. Fifth chord is F sharp minor, D, G, A major, B minor, F sharp minor, and the last chord is E minor. The sixth chord is E minor. So this is also very simple chord now. This is E major and this is E minor. So second fret, fourth and fifth string. Okay, so the first chord is D, second chord is G, third chord is A, fourth chord is B minor. You can play it like this also, and bar chord also. This is also B minor. Fifth chord is F sharp minor. This is also F sharp minor, and the last chord is E minor. And you can play from your right hand. You can play, strumming like this. You can do like this also. Down, 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 down. 4 times. Down, 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 and after 4 times you have to change chord. Down, 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 and you have to count in your mind. Down, 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 and F sharp minor. So these 6 chords comes in the family of D major. D, G, A, B minor,